For me, the one and foremost is my family. Their continuous encouragement, their support, their advice. Every time, whenever I need them, even if I don't need them, they are always there for me. Hi, myself is Dr. Sunena, and I'm working with HETIC since past 9 years. I'm working with an HR department. If you once step in HETIC, the magical moments start entering in your mind. And if you talk about workplace, it's a collaborative approach that we receive once we'll be there in our system. And the empowerment and the trust that I've received from my seniors and from the organization. So it's a remarkable journey altogether. It's well maintained here, and with the many, there are certain flexible approaches that we have been given, not only to the women, but the entire organization. And we are working on to that. So it's a great fun working in HETIC. Okay, my leisure time, I usually, read books, that too onto these, the subconscious mind and onto the law of attraction. And I used to do yoga. Early morning, you want me to do it, late night. So it's always been said that yoga can be done only in the morning. But yes, yoga and meditation are my two key parameters on which I am, having my work-life balance is maintained in today's life. For me, the one and foremost is my family. Their continuous encouragement, their support, their advice. Every time, whenever I need them, even if I don't need them, they are always there for me. On this platform, I would like to say thanks to my family, which is there and always supportive. And it's in kind of in support balance for me. It's in me, it's in you, and it's all in her.